When you think of a scientist, what imagery comes to mind? Here's some positive news. When I was growing up, I thought of the mad scientist trope, or even if it was a cool scientist, I thought of someone who maybe wasn't great towards women. But now when American school children are asked to draw scientists, they're much more likely to draw a woman than ever before. A long-term study has analysed over 20,000 drawings made by students aged 5 to 18 across 5 decades, and there's a huge shift in perception. The pictures are also kind of adorable. In the 1960s and 70s, fewer than 1% of children portrayed scientists as women. By 2016, that figure had risen to around 34%. And the change is even more dramatic among girls. While only about 1% drew women scientists in the early decades of the study, more than half did so in the most recent decade. This evolution in children's depictions mirrors broader societal change, as between 1960 and 2013, the proportion of women working in science grew significantly. As more women have entered scientific careers, they also entered the collective imagination. We know about the Scully effect and how that's inspired more women to go into science, and what we find is that this creates a pattern showing how representation is really important in driving people into certain career paths. Children are now exposed to better depictions of scientists and are sketching a more accurate picture of who advances scientific knowledge today. And that's definitely a good thing.